So today, what I want to demonstrate to you is using Slide Master again, because it is quite complex. And I also want to show you how to insert word art and apply animations to that as well. Not word art, but shapes and things like that. Okay, so here goes. Let me share my screen. So I will go into my PowerPoint. PowerPoint you will be quite familiar with now, Kath's Hobbies. Okay, so when we come on to slide 2, let's go. If I want to insert some word art in here to show which is my favorite food, okay, favorite food. So what I would do is go to the insert, and it's not word art, it's shapes. Here we go, shapes. I'm going to use an arrow here, a line arrow, and I'm going to draw that arrow coming, that's the wrong way around, okay, coming to the chilies. I will move that arrow down a little bit. And what I want to do is I can make the outline much weightier. Okay, I'll make it quite thick. I'll maybe extend the size of it slightly. Might change the colour of it and colour. Let's see the colour up here. We'll make it blue. Yeah, change the outline of it again. Again, make it quite weighty. There we go, quite thick so that we can see. And actually, I will change the colour yet again because that's not standing out very well. Black. And again, change the outline. Okay, weight, make it weighty so that we can see what we're doing. That's it. Okay, so I have created my arrows so that when I'm delivering my presentation, I can then talk about my favourite food, chili, spicy food. Okay, spicy food. So what I want to do is make this one of my animations. If you remember from previous lessons, the pumpkin fruit and veg was animation 1 coming in, then it was the lemons, then it was the sushi, then the chilies, and then the pizza. Okay, so what I want to do is in animations, in here, okay, click on what I want to animate, go to animations, and which way will I make this come in? Let's see, let's make it grow and turn. Okay, so we can see here that it will grow and turn and come in and point there, and it's number 6. Okay, so that's great. So that is how to insert some shapes and things like that. Go to insert shapes. You can use any shape at all. You could use wiggly lines. You could use any of these. Add anything like this onto your presentation as you see fit. Little bubbles, call outs, anything along that line. Okay. Now, in order to change slide master again, so we're going to go over that again. I'm going to go back up to my top slide and I'm going to go to view and I'm going to go to slide master. Okay, slide master. And remember what I want to do is click and scroll up to the very, very top. And if you remember correctly, Slide Master is just for adjusting the layout of things on the page. It's not for making changes to the or editing your content in any way. It's for making changes to the layout of where things are on the page. So for instance, we can see this is the slide number here. So what I could do is I could actually take this slide number and I could put it over onto the main part of the slide here. You can see this is now changed in all my other slides because I have scrolled up and I've used my master slide. Okay, slide master up here. Now that won't work because I want the color of this slide number to be slightly something different. So let's make it black. Okay, and that's it. So I have changed the position of my slide number. Now, if I close my master view, if I go back into my slides, close master view, go back into normal slides, and if I want to apply that and put a slide number on my slides, then I would go to insert. Oh, where's it gone? Where has it gone? Insert, here we go. It's over here somewhere. Over here. Where are we? Slide numbers. They've disappeared. Text box, header box. Here, this is it. Slide number. Okay, confusing me there. It's a little number there. That's date and time. Not sure what that is. Can't see it properly. And this is slide number, the little hash sign. Okay, so I don't want to insert date and time. I want to insert slide number. And no, I don't want to include it on the title slide. I will just use it on the other slide. So I'll tick this box. If I say apply to all, There we go, apply to all. My slide number should now come up. Here we go, okay, 3. We go in here, 2, and we can see it's not on the title slide. Slide number is on 2, 3, 4 in the areas that I have asked for it to be. If I want to change the position of that slide number and keep it consistent in all my slides, again, what I would do is view, slide master, okay, slide master, scroll to the top and click on the very top slide. And then I could actually take that and maybe put it on the right hand side. Okay, put it on the right hand side, close master view, and when I come back into my slides, you can see my slide master. I'll change the position of my number again. So slide master is for changing the position of things on your slides, keeping them consistent. Okay, and as I said before, this is inserting shapes and applying transitions to them. So I think that's all for today's lesson. And hopefully you've learned something new. Okay.